Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80072f17 in Microsoft Store, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to clear the Microsoft Store cache. And how would you do that? Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. This will clear the Microsoft Store cache and reopen the Microsoft Store. The next one is to remove proxy settings from your system. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inet cpl.cpl and hit enter. Okay, now go to the connections tab, click on LAN settings, make sure that automatically detect settings is checked and use a proxy server is unchecked. And the last one is to re-register the Microsoft Store. Now we have a command line for you. I'll share it in the description section of the video. Search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. This will start re-registering PowerShell. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.